Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken breast in my new Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. All I need is chicken breasts, and I'm going to use olive oil to keep them extra moist, and for my seasonings I'll use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and of course feel free to use the seasonings of your choice. Now let me drizzle olive oil over the chicken. And now I'm going to rub the oil over the chicken so it's evenly coated. And now let's season the chicken. So I'll sprinkle with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And let's rub the seasonings in. And let's flip the chicken over and season the other side as well. Now once you've seasoned the chicken, let's put it in the air fryer bowl. So I'll take out the bowl. Now add the chicken to the air fryer. And let's put the air fryer bowl in the air fryer. And now I will turn on the air fryer. And I'm going to use the default air fry mode. I'll set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer bowl and let's flip the chicken breasts over so they cook more evenly. And let's put the glass bowl back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these chicken breasts. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. When cooking meat, I always recommend using the instant thermometer to make sure it's cooked through. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, it's more than 165, so it's completely cooked. And let's say if your chicken is not cooked, just return it to the air fryer and cook it for a few more minutes. Also, these are 4 pretty large chicken breasts, so it took 20 minutes. If you have thinner pieces or if you have fewer of them, then the time could be less. So I do recommend checking after 15 minutes. Cooking time depends on how thick is the chicken, and the thinner chicken cooks quicker. Now let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. This looks so delicious. I'm so excited about trying it. This chicken breast is so healthy, and air fryer makes it so nicely browned, and it's super easy to make. Easiest way to cook chicken ever. Now let me just cut it so you can see the inside. So perfectly cooked. Looks so good. Now let me cut a small piece. Tastes so delicious. It's so moist inside, and it's perfectly seasoned, juicy, tasty. Give it a try, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for lots and lots of air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.